Would you spend 200 days climbing the biggest mountain in the solar system just for one bottle of water? Let's find out.
Emergency landing successful. Spacecraft destroyed. Mission survival probability, 4%.
Will we risk everything, dust storms, exhaustion, and the harsh Martian wilderness for a single bottle of water that costs less than $1 on Earth?
Energy critically low. Energy critically low. Energy critically low. Critically low.
Day 170. I've reached the upper volcanic cliffs. There it is. There it is. The ship. Day 199. Only a few meters left.
Internal scans indicate 0% humidity.
This video wasn't made to make you laugh. It was made to remind us of something important. The cheapest thing on Earth could become the most valuable thing on another world. That's the lesson I hope you take away from this journey. If you agree, let me know in the comments.